200 staff at a manufacturing company in Hampshire are working day and night to assemble thousands of new ventilators for the NHS. The government recently revised down the number needed from 30,000 to 18,000, cancelling orders with some other companies. But Surface Technology International in Hook is now working flat out on two of the devices on which the NHS is placing the greatest reliance. Tom Hepworth has the story.
Staff at STI Ltd in Hook have been making electronics for the defence industry for 30 years. But in the space of just 1 month, they're now also building ventilators to help save lives.
They've all got stuck in. Weekends disappear, evenings disappear, bank holidays disappear. Everybody's just working flat out to get us in the position to deliver.
And this is where it all starts. All the constituent parts come in here. We've got the actual ventilators themselves from Dagenham Fords over to the flow meters. These come from Airbus and they're brought over here to the production line. The flow meters are put on trolleys here, so they're a lot easier to lift. They're pretty heavy, actually, to be honest. And right here, we've got the ventilator itself. Over here, we've got the absorber. Now, the capacity of these ventilators is a lot more because they're specially designed for COVID patients. On through the production line here, Anita does a final check before they're put into boxes and sent up to Penlon in Abingdon for final testing. Before then, they go to an MOD holding area and onto hospitals across the NHS. There's a lot of work to do. The government's placed an order with the VentilatorChallengeUK consortium for 15,000. Ministers withdrew support to 4 other consortia last night, and James Dyson's been told his ventilators won't be required. But these are, and that's partly because they're a modification of an existing design. STI are making hundreds a week here now, but they aim to make more than 1,500 a week within the next fortnight. And they're employing up to 100 more people.
The biggest one was forklift truck drivers. We only have 1, we needed 9. We need people to unload lorries, we need security, we got big trucks arriving day and night that need parking and managing. We don't have those skills. We get things in small numbers, now getting things in lorries arriving full and unloading the whole load to us, and they're coming regularly round the clock.
And the staff are rising to the challenge.
We don't mind to put extra hours in it. We just want it to be built as quickly as possible.
As soon as I see them going into the packaging, makes me feel good. Yeah, and then when they're loading up the lorries, yeah, it's good. We know that they're going out, hopefully, to help people.
This factory will soon be working 20 hours a day to meet the demand for ventilators, work that will save lives. Tom Hepworth, BBC South Today in Hook.